Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, someone who understands. SLOs of this lesson are identify problem and propose a solution, join in and take turns. Look at the page number 22. What can you see here? We have a listening speaking section here. Select some students to a role play. How will the student react if a friend or classmate is being bullied? Like the scenario below. These are the scenario, the situation here. Bullying, here, look at here. Bullying is when someone is being hurt either by words or action on purpose, usually more than once, feels bad because of it and has a hard time stopping what is happening to them. As you can see, these both boys are fighting with each other and this one is making, and look at here, the boys are teasing or insulting that person here and the other boys are making picture of it. And their purpose is to insult him or to make him feel bad. Here, as you can see, these boys are insulting this boy here. And the fourth picture you can see, this boy is kicking this boy here. So this is called bullying. You have to act a role play in which you have to include your friends and your classmates. And you need to ask them what they will do. What will be their reaction if their friend or classmate is being bullied like this here. Dear student, you can act this role play with your friends, cousin, neighbors, with everyone. It's up to you how you will act. But you have to talk about, you have to react. If a friend or classmate is being bullied, what will be your reaction? I hope you can do this very easily. It's a very small and simple role play. This is your home task for summer pack. You have to write an essay on the following topic and tell from which SLO this question has been taken. A visit to village. Just give an introduction to which village you are visiting, then the main events, then conclusion, what happened in the last one. I hope you are familiar with the 3 steps of writing an essay. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson.